Hello everybody, this is a tour of my 1987 Chevy truck. It's my project truck. Has a 6-inch lift kit on it. Tires are junk. 89 through 91 grill. Military tow hooks in the front. Cut the chrome bumper. 10-bolt. It's 3-inch exhaust all the way back for the headers. Skyjacker shocks. 14-bolt rear end. There's the rear end. Exhaust. Scored the tailgate. $10 at a swap meet. No rust at all. Nothing much of the interior, just junk basically. Still working on it. White face gauges. Let's go to 350, nothing special. Got a rag over the fuel filter, it's leaking for some reason. Got headers. The center bolt heads. Edelbrock carburetor. Runs a little rich. I need to change the jets in it because it runs a jets are too big. Yeah, that's basically it. I mean, still under works. The other side. Scored these into the swap meet. GMC. Woo. Alright. Floor's in really good shape. Brand new body mounts. There's the Flowmasters. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like it.